welcome back to Garage Mods 95. Today we are going to be installing some LED headlights in the Camaro SS. So I had to channel Blake. Hi. You wanna say hi? Say hi.
Hi, Elsa. You wanna say hi? You too.
So either way, here is the Fox. Let's see.
As you can see, they're gonna come on. I guess they're not coming on, but it already has headlights on it. Well, LEDs, but they're not wanting to come on. They're in there, but one of them went out. I can't remember. I think it's the one on the passenger side that went out. Let's see. Yeah, the one on the passenger side went out, and it's actually still on, but it's not as bright anymore. I don't know what happened to it. They're brand new, so that's, I don't know. I ordered these from Amazon. They were, I think, $16. I think that's probably why they went out. But they sent me new ones, so let's see if that fixes it. And they told me to just return the one that was bad. So they told me I can keep the one that's good, return the one that's bad, and but the fog lights are still working perfectly. I ordered them at the same time, and they're from the same marketplace. Let me put the key in so the fog lights can come in. See, the fog lights work perfectly, and you assume if one of them failed, maybe the other ones will fail too, but they've been working fine. So I already got them in, and I'm gonna show you guys technically how to install LEDs, which you guys, if you're pretty smart, you should know. But there's some people that are out there that don't know, not because they're dumb or anything, but they just really don't know anything about cars. But they don't feel like paying a mechanic. I understand, because mechanics are ripoffs sometimes, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Let me pop the hood. It's really easy. There's nothing that's hard about. The latch to open the hood is underneath the steering wheel on the dash, underneath the dash on the steering wheel, whatever you want to call it. And you don't have to disconnect the battery. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. This is gonna be a short video, by the way. So, oh, and if you're watching this video, this is after I installed the crankshaft. It's been a week, and it resolved my problem. To the people that are subscribed to me, because I think they like the video of the headers, they are still doing good. I like the sound. There's no cracks, no nothing. The welds are still holding on pretty good. I have put MSD plugs ever since then, which made a big difference. Oh, back to where I was talking about. Since the video that I uploaded for the crankshaft position sensor, you guys know that the Camaro, or most of LS cars, I think, they come with those two heater hoses that go to the heater core. There is a relocation kit that they sell that I think you gotta put them in through here, somewhere through here, and they come out and you connect them into there too. But what I did, we were in Texas, you don't need the heater. What I did, I just did a bypass line so I can just circulate back in there, and that way you don't have those ugly hoses on top of your engine bay. So yeah. So this is the one that went out. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So you're gonna put your hand in through here. And you pull out the old one out. You twist it to take it off. And there's a little lock pin right here to keep it secured. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. I might not be able to, so let me set this down. That's locked. That's unlocked. And then you press right here and you pull it out. And that's as easy as it is. And it's the same thing. Let's say you don't have those LEDs already. You have an original one. So this is how it comes. You do the same exact thing to it. And you just pull it out. The only thing on this one is that you have a little harness to it. But it's the same exact plug. So these are the new ones right here. Auto Father, Super Mini Foresight, and a cool tone blue. They're pretty nice. They come packaged pretty okay. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to order these. This is a new one. Compare it to the old one. This one looks more red, probably because this one's already been hot and this one hasn't. But on this one, you can see right here, I had to trim. On this one, on the old one, you can see that I had to trim right here on these little corners because it was not going in. I also had to trim, I think that's it. Oh. No, yeah. Yeah, I only trimmed here. I trimmed here and here with a razor blade because they were not inserting into the harness into my car. Besides that, I had no problems installing it. So let me show you guys how to do it. So you're just gonna trim a little bit right here. And a little bit on this section right there. There we go. See, so you have an angle on it. It should go in already. Let me see how much I trimmed on this one. See, this is the old one. This is the new one. I might have to trim a little bit more actually. So let me see. I think that should work. And let's see if it goes in. Here's the harness. And if it goes in, then we're golden. There we go. It's in, secured. And all you gotta do is just put it back in there. Put it back into the headlight. sometimes it's easier if you just take this piece off.
Let's see. There's a way you can take these off. There we go. See?
You can take it apart like this. You put this in first. Just like that, it's already in. Now you insert the light bulb, the LED bulb.
Just twist it around because it has its own side to go in.
There we go. It's set. Alright, so now for the moment of truth, let's see if it works. There we go. Yep, they both work now. You see? And they're pretty bright on this thing. That's all you gotta do. And that's how it looks. Final product. For $30 for all 4 headlights, you can say. About $32 with taxes. Here, let me turn off the lights in my garage. Do not mind the mess in my garage. I know I have a mess. It's not dark, not too dark yet outside, but that's how bright they are. They look brighter if it's pitch black outside. Oh, and I also put LEDs back here. The whole LED socket it's in there. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Thank you guys, and you have a wonderful day.